In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page to the Shopify Dawn theme. Whether you're setting up your first online store or you're a seasoned pro looking to refresh your site, understanding how to add pages allows you to customize your website to better suit your needs and engage more effectively with your customers. So, let's dive in and walk you through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your site editor. This is the control center for your Shopify store, where you can manage and customize the look and layout of your site. Once you're in the site editor, focus your attention on the page title at the very top. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing and editing your site's pages. With the page title clearly visible, go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. The drop-down is your gateway to more options, offering a menu from which you can manage your site's various components. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Pages. You'll want to click on Pages next. This selection takes you to a dedicated section where all of your existing pages are organized. It's the hub where you'll find tools to add new pages or modify the ones you have, providing a comprehensive overview of your site's structure. Once in the Pages section, you will spot a button that invites you to Create Template. Clicking on Create Template is your next move. This button is key to adding a new page under the Shopify Dawn theme. It gives you the opportunity to get creative and tailor your page to fit your brand's identity. After clicking Create Template, you'll need to name your new page. Think carefully about the name. Make sure it's reflective of the page's content so that both you and your customers can easily identify its purpose. The page name will help you stay organized, especially as your site grows and you add more content. You'll also have the option to select a pre-existing template as a basis for your new page. Choosing an existing template allows you to leverage a ready-made design, saving you time and effort on the layout. This way, you can maintain aesthetic consistency across your site or get a little creative if desired. Once you've named your new page and chosen a base template, your work doesn't stop there. After the creation of your page, you'll automatically be redirected to it. From here, you can start editing how the page looks. You have full control over the design elements, content, and overall look, so take your time to adjust it to your liking. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can seamlessly add a new page to the Shopify Dawn theme, enhancing your site's capabilities and offering more information to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.